These 20 AI glasses are the future of smartphones. And number 20 is something you won't expect. First on our list is 1. Meta Ray-Ban display. Meta Ray-Ban display smart glasses are one of the biggest steps toward making AI wearables feel like a normal part of everyday life. These glasses combine the iconic Ray-Ban style with advanced AI features, creating a device that looks like regular eyewear while secretly packing powerful technology. The biggest upgrade is the built-in AR display, which brings useful information directly into your view without needing to constantly check your smartphone. The compact 600 by 600 in-lens display can show notifications, navigation information, translations, and other AI-powered features while keeping your hands completely free. But that's not all. The glasses also include a 12-megapixel camera that allows users to capture photos and videos from their own point of view. Instead of reaching for a phone every time something interesting happens, you can simply use the glasses and continue experiencing the moment. The pricing reflects their premium position, with Meta Ray-Ban display glasses expected to cost around $799. 2. ROG Xreal R1. Next up, we have the ROG Xreal R1 Smart AI Glasses, a device that pushes wearable technology into the gaming world. What makes these glasses stand out is the massive 171-inch virtual micro OLED display packed into a lightweight 91-gram design. You would not believe how impressive it is to get a giant screen experience from something that can fit inside a small, carrying case. The glasses support an incredible 240 Hz refresh rate with ultra-low latency, making them perfect for competitive gaming where every millisecond matters. Whether connected to a gaming PC, console, or devices like the ROG Ally, they aim to deliver smooth visuals anywhere. 3. Quinn Glasses. Quinn Glasses are Alibaba's entry into the rapidly growing AI eyewear market, and they are designed to compete with some of the biggest names in smart glasses. One thing that makes Quinn Glasses interesting is how they focus on practical, everyday assistance. These are not only designed for entertainment, they are built to help users understand their surroundings, communicate across languages, and access information without pulling out a smartphone. The G1 model is expected to cost around $270 to $300, while higher-end S1 versions with dual-display AR features will cost more. With swappable batteries and a lightweight design, Quinn Glasses are aiming directly at the mainstream smart eyewear market. 3. Even Reality's G2. One of the biggest advantages of the G2 is its minimalist design. Unlike many AR glasses that look bulky, these maintain a style closer to traditional eyewear. They weigh around 36 grams, making them comfortable for extended use. The glasses feature a micro-LED waveguide display that projects useful information directly into the user's field of view. This includes notifications, translations, and AI-generated prompts. The processing is handled through a connected smartphone using Bluetooth, allowing the glasses to remain lightweight while still offering smart capabilities. These glasses are aimed at professionals who want subtle technology that enhances their day without turning their eyewear into a distraction. 4. Rokit Air Glasses. Style. Rokit Air Glasses style focus on balancing artificial intelligence with a familiar everyday appearance. The lightweight 38.5-gram frame makes them comfortable for long periods, while the design stays close to normal sunglasses. This approach makes them easier to wear in public compared to some larger AR devices. Inside the glasses is a 12-megapixel camera combined with open-ear audio technology. They support AI features powered by GPT and Gemini, allowing users to access real-time translation, navigation assistance, object recognition, and voice commands. Rokit is focusing on bringing AI glasses closer to everyday consumers instead of limiting them to technology enthusiasts. 5. Rainio X3 Pro. The Rainio X3 Pro takes smart glasses into a much more advanced AR direction. These glasses are designed for users who want immersive augmented reality rather than simple notifications and voice assistance. The device features full-color micro-LED waveguide displays powered by the Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 platform. This combination allows the glasses to deliver advanced visuals while maintaining a wearable design. One of the standout features is the dual 12-megapixel camera system, which allows the glasses to understand and interact with the environment around the user. The glasses also include 6DoF spatial tracking, allowing digital content to stay accurately positioned in the real world. The display reaches up to 6,000 nits peak brightness with a 640 by 480 resolution, meaning visibility remains strong even outdoors. 6. Eden Lux Airy. Eden Lux Airy takes a different path by focusing less on entertainment and more on eye health. These glasses are built around adaptive lens technology and guided visual exercises designed to support healthier screen habits. With people spending more time looking at phones, computers, and digital displays, eye wellness has become an increasingly important area. The lightweight design makes them suitable for everyday use, while the connected app tracks usage and progress over time. 7. Vituer Beast. Vituer Beast smart AI glasses are built for users who want one thing above everything else: a massive portable screen. These glasses deliver a huge 174-inch virtual display using Sony Micro OLED panels, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1,250 nits brightness. The result is a cinematic viewing experience packed into wearable hardware. The 58-degree field of view creates a more immersive experience, while 3DOF head tracking keeps the virtual display stable as users move. The glasses also include electrochromic tinting, allowing better visibility control in different environments. The main trade-off is the size and weight. The powerful hardware makes them heavier than simpler AI glasses. 8. Inmo Air 3. Moving forward, we have the Inmo Air 3 Smart AI Glasses, a device that takes a major step toward making standalone AR computing a reality. Unlike many smart glasses that depend heavily on a smartphone, Inmo Air 3 is designed to operate more independently, bringing apps, AI features, and digital information directly into the wearable experience. The glasses are powered by the Snapdragon XR platform, giving them the performance needed to handle advanced AR applications. This allows users to access features like real-time translation, AI assistance, navigation, media controls, and productivity tools without constantly reaching for another device. The glasses include a high-resolution waveguide display that places digital information into the user's field of view, while maintaining a design that is still practical for everyday wear. 9. Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses. The Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses combine Reebok's sporty design language with Lucid's open-ear audio technology, creating wearable eyewear designed for people who want smart features while staying active. Lucid Reebok focuses on features people can use every day. Users can listen to music, answer calls, access navigation, and interact with voice assistants without blocking their awareness of the environment. The glasses include noise-canceling microphones, high-quality open speakers, and lightweight impact-resistant frames designed for active users. Battery life reaches around 8 to 12 hours depending on usage, making them suitable for workouts, commuting, travel, and outdoor activities. 10. Vive Eagle AI Glasses. HTC's Vive Eagle AI glasses bring together stylish design, artificial intelligence, and practical smart features in a surprisingly lightweight package. These glasses feature a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, open-ear speakers, and Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 performance packed into a frame weighing less than 49 grams. One of the biggest highlights is AI integration. Users can access voice assistants, real-time translation, hands-free note-taking, and image-based AI features. The glasses support advanced AI services, including ChatGPT and Gemini integration, making them useful for communication, productivity, and daily tasks. The camera allows users to capture photos and videos from their perspective, while AI features help analyze and understand what the glasses see. 11. AI Noon AI Smart Glasses. AI Noon AI Smart Glasses are another example of how quickly smart eyewear is becoming more accessible. These glasses focus on bringing useful AI assistance into a lightweight and affordable package. The frame weighs around 45 grams and includes a 12-megapixel camera capable of capturing 1080p first-person video. This allows users to record moments hands-free while also using AI-powered features. The glasses include an always-ready AI assistant that can help with real-time translation, navigation assistance, object recognition, calorie recognition, and voice commands. The open-ear speakers and triple microphone system help deliver clearer conversations while allowing users to remain aware of their surroundings. They may not compete with the most advanced AR glasses, but they show that smart glasses are becoming available to a much wider audience. 12. Third Eye SXR. The Third Eye SXR smart glasses are built for a completely different market. They are focused on professional environments where hands-free information can improve efficiency and safety. The system works with Third Eye's X2 mixed reality ecosystem, providing real-time information overlays, remote assistance, and guided procedures. Workers can receive instructions directly through the glasses instead of constantly checking manuals, tablets, or computers. This can be extremely valuable in environments where speed and accuracy matter. The glasses use spatial tracking technology, including SLAM-based systems, allowing digital information to remain aligned with the real world. While most people will not purchase these glasses for personal use, they represent an important part of the future of wearable computing, where AI and AR help professionals work faster and more efficiently. 13. NPS Envision. NPS Envision. Smart glasses show one of the most meaningful applications of AI eyewear accessibility. Built on Google Glass Enterprise hardware, NPS Envision glasses include an 8-megapixel camera, bone conduction audio, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a lightweight titanium frame weighing around 50 grams. The AI system can recognize objects, read text, describe environments, and provide useful information through audio feedback. Battery life averages around 5 to 6 hours, making them suitable for daily mobility support. 14. EverySight Maverick. EverySight Maverick smart glasses are designed for athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who wants real-time information while staying active. The glasses use a Sony Micro OLED full-color display to project important information directly into the user's view. Depending on distance settings, they can create a virtual screen ranging from around 60 to 130 inches. The system includes 3 DOF tracking, accelerometers, gyroscopes, and magnetometers to keep visuals stable while users move. Cyclists and runners can access performance information, navigation details, and fitness data without looking down at a smartwatch or phone. Battery life reaches around 8 hours, and interchangeable visors help improve visibility in different environments. 15. Nemo Glasses. The main goal of Nemo glasses is to replace traditional computer screens with virtual displays that appear directly in front of the user. The lightweight binocular display system allows users to create multiple virtual screens, making multitasking easier while traveling or working remotely. Depending on the version, the weight can range from around 29 grams to 120 grams, showing how much the technology is evolving toward lighter designs. Instead of carrying a laptop everywhere, users could potentially carry an entire virtual office through lightweight eyewear. 16. Pickle 1. Pickle 1 focuses on understanding your daily experiences and helping you remember important details. These glasses combine a full-color AR display with Snapdragon-powered processing and a context-aware AI system. The glasses can capture and analyze real-world interactions, helping users recall details, organize information, navigate locations, and manage daily tasks. Pickle 1 weighs around 68 grams and offers up to 12 hours of battery life, making it suitable for extended daily use. 17. DPV-RG1. The DPV-RG1 Smart AI glasses are proof that smart eyewear is no longer limited to expensive premium devices. They include an 8-megapixel first-person camera, open-ear audio, and AI functions such as real-time translation, voice control, and object recognition. The design focuses on everyday comfort with lightweight frames, photochromic lenses, and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity for smooth pairing with smartphones. The glasses include 32 gigabytes of storage and a 290 mAh battery that provides around 8 hours of mixed usage depending on activity. The companion app expands the functionality by adding more AI-powered features and controls. For users who want basic smart features like voice assistance, recording, and translation without spending hundreds of dollars, DPV-RG1 offers an affordable entry point. 19. Amazon Echo Frames, 3rd generation. Powered by Alexa, Echo Frames allow users to make calls, listen to music, check notifications, control smart home devices, and access information without reaching for their smartphone. The open-ear speakers allow users to hear audio while still staying aware of their surroundings, making them practical for everyday activities like commuting, walking, or working. The glasses are lightweight and designed for extended comfort, making them easier to wear throughout the day compared to bulkier AR devices. 20. Solos Ergo Vision. Finally, we have Solos Ergo Vision, another smart AI glasses option that focuses on bringing artificial intelligence directly into everyday life. These glasses combine a familiar eyewear design with advanced AI features designed to help users understand and interact with their surroundings. But that's not all. These glasses are designed with productivity and accessibility in mind, allowing users to get assistance without constantly checking a phone screen. Whether it is identifying objects, getting quick answers, or receiving support during daily activities, the goal is to make technology feel more natural and connected. The pricing generally falls around $299 to $399 depending on the configuration. With Solo's Ergo Vision completing this list, the future of smart AI glasses becomes even clearer. From premium AR experiences to affordable everyday assistance, these devices are showing that wearable technology is moving closer to becoming a major part of how we interact with the digital world. So which of these smart AI glasses impressed you the most? Are you ready to replace your smartphone with wearable AI technology, or do you think phones will remain the main device for years to come? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.